children, welcome back. In the previous video, we had discussed about the area of parallelograms. Next, let's learn about the area of rhombus. Draw a square of diagonals 8 cm. Okay, so you know how to draw a square of diagonals 8 cm, which you had already learned in the chapter Construction of Quadrilaterals. So here the diagonals of a square bisect each other perpendicularly. Then area of triangle AOD is equal to 1 by 2, 4 into 4, that is equal to 8 square centimeter. Since the square is made up of 4 such congruent triangles, so the area of the square is equal to 4 into 8, that is equal to 32 square centimeter. If one diagonal is D, then area of triangle AOD is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2D into 1 by 2D. That is, area of the square is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2D into 1 by 2D, which is equal to 4 into, here there are 2D, so D square divided by 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Here that 4 and 8 get cancelled, that is 1 by 2 D square. That is, the area of a square is half the square of the diagonal. Then area of a square is equal to 1 by 2 D square. Here D is the diagonal. Let's do a question. What should be the length of the diagonal to draw a square of area 8 square centimeter? Here the area is given. We have to find the length of the diagonal. That is 1 by 2 D square is equal to 8 square centimeter. Then D square is equal to 8 into 2, which is equal to 16. Then D is equal to square root of 16, that is equal to square root of 4 into 4, which is equal to 4. So here in this question, the length of the diagonal should be 4 centimeter. The next question, find the area of a rhombus of diagonals 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So here in this question, we have to find the area and the diagonals is given. That is, drawing the diagonals of the rhombus, we get 4 congruent right triangles. Okay, so area of one such right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into 3, that is equal to 6 square centimeter. Then area of the rhombus is equal to 4 into 6, that is equal to 24 square centimeters. Suppose if one diagonal of the rhombus is D1 and the other diagonal is D2, then area of one right triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 D1 into 1 by 2 D2. Then area of the rhombus is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 D1 into 1 by 2 D2, which is equal to 4 D1 D2 divided by 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, which is equal to 4 and 2 get cancelled and remaining is 1 by 2 D1 D2. That is, the area of a rhombus is half the product of the diagonals, or we can write it as area of a rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 D1 D2. Here D1 and D2 are the diagonals. Let's do an activity question in your textbook, page number 169. The area of a rhombus is 216 square centimeters and the length of one of its diagonal is 24 centimeter. Compute the following measurements of this rhombus. First one is length of the second diagonal. Second question, length of a side. Third is perimeter, and fourth question is distance between the side. Let's do the first question, that is length of the second diagonal. Here area of the rhombus is given as 216 square centimeter. So area of the rhombus is equal to 216 square centimeters, and one diagonal measure is given as 24 centimeters. If the length of the second diagonal is D2, then 1 by 2 D1 D2 is equal to 216. Then 1 by 2, here the value of D1 is 24, so 24 into D2 is equal to 216. Then 24 D2 is equal to 216 into 2. Then D2 is equal to 216 into 2 is 432. divided by 24, which is equal to 18 centimeter. Therefore, length of the second diagonal is equal to 18 centimeter. Next sub question is to find the length of a side. To find the length of the side, it is enough to find the hypotenuse of the right triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here triangle AOD is a right triangle. Therefore, length of one side is AD. Then AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square. Here AO square is equal to 12 square plus OD is 9. So 9 square. 12 square is 144 plus 9 square is 81, which is equal to 225. Then AD is equal to square root of 225, that is equal to square root of 15 into 15, that is 15. Okay. Therefore, length of one side is equal to 15 centimeter. Third sub question is to find the perimeter. So, perimeter is equal to one side. Here one side is 15. So, 15 into 4, which is equal to 60 centimeter. Then the fourth question is to find the distance between sides. Okay. So, rhombus is a parallelogram. Then area of the parallelogram is equal to one side into distance to the opposite side. Here area is given as 216 square centimeter and one side is 15 centimeter. Then 15 into distance between sides is equal to 216. Then distance between sides is equal to 216 divided by 15, which is equal to 14.4 centimeter. Okay children, using these ideas, try to do these questions in your textbook, page number 169. That's all for today. Thank you.